everyone, it's Catherine again here with Coupon Card Club, just with a quick haul, maybe not a quick haul, but a big haul that I did at Dollar Tree today. Hi everyone, it's Muffins from me. Hi everyone, it's Catherine again. Originally $6.99. When you do this, it's free stuff Friday. For all the new club members, thank you for watching, and make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to all my videos. I talk about DIYs, haul videos, couponing, sales, and different things that we can all do together as club members. So let's get this thing started, and let's start talking about the reason why I did this whole big haul. It was just because I needed to start organizing some stuff, and I harassed my sister so she can definitely get into the groove of, I guess, organizing, because we didn't really have a chance to do spring cleaning this year. It's kind of delayed because of everything that happened, but we can definitely do it now. So the first thing I definitely want to talk about are the pencil case holders. These bad boys are $1 a piece. They're really good. They come in different colors and flavors and sizes, but these are really good not just for organizing your pencils and everything, but for small iPhone cords or Android cords that you may have in your house that you want to put in a neat, organized way. So definitely, if you guys do see these, pick this up because it's going to be handy. The next thing I want to talk about are these fridge soda trays. Now, I did pick up a few the last time, but this time there was only one, so I just picked up this one. But these fridge soda trays are they're not only just good for soda. What I do is I organize them with like my can of beans, like anything that I have in cans, like my canned milks and stuff like that. I organize them in my cabinets, and I put them right in my cabinets, and then I just put a little label here. So whenever I need to get beans or milk or anything, then I just pull it out. Yeah. All right, next up are these Jot Pencil Holders. Now these are really good because they have the felt bottoms. These can also be adapted to be hanging, only because of the felt bottoms. You can use it to stick it with magnets on refrigerators or different things if you so need it. But definitely these are great as pencil holders for your desk, so make sure you guys pick these up. These are the ones, again, with the felt bottoms, so definitely keep in mind for those. And if you need something to do, especially with the kiddos, they definitely have some great arts and craft things. As you can see, there's some crosses that they have, and a great, wonderful item that they do have at the Dollar Tree now are these wonderful canvases. Sometimes they have the bigger sizes, but right now they have the 5x7, and then they have the 4x6. So these are great for like arts and craft projects that you're going to do with the kiddies. You pick them up. Remember, they're all $1 a piece. Dollar Tree is good to me. All right, so next up are these tuna in the boxes. Tuna in the boxes. There's chicken salad and there's tuna salad. These bad boys are great for snacks, especially when you're on the road with the kiddos. They have tuna and chicken, and then they have little crackers along with these little spoons that you can definitely use. So check them out. Just throw them in your bag. You see, he already wants some tuna with some crackers right now because I'm talking about it. Now, I didn't forget about these bad boys here. I do, you know these as cell phone ring hooks, but these bad boys go great with these hooks over here. They're great for hanging remote controls or any cup holders that you need for like paintbrushes or pens or scissors that you want to get out the way of the kiddos. This is definitely a great, amazing trick to do. What you do is you stick this on the remote and you stick these bad boys right on the wall, and they hang, and it's good. You don't lose the remotes, you don't lose the brushes, and you get an organized home. Next up is these little pails. So these pails are good for the hooks as well. I would use this if you have like a sketchboard or a dry erase board like this one, and you want to keep extra pens and markers on the side. You would definitely hook this onto the wall with the same project I did before, and you can use this eraser board next to each other, and they can be comparable as you plan out your days of the weeks all right here. So next step is these clip lock closures. So these clip lock closures are usually good for like small cereals on the go, but I definitely use them for sugars and other things that can be needed and you can use in your cabinet. No, I'm not going to be using all of them, but I will be using quite a bit of these to organize what I have in my cabinet. The next thing to pick up are these little storage bins. So these little storage bins are good for like bath salts and soaps and different things that you want to store in bulk. And especially what I like to do with them is put the little Dollar Tree washcloths in them when I buy them in bulk. And I just pop them in there, and whenever we need a new washcloth, we open one up, and that's it. But these tools are really, really great for organizing. And once you just slap a label on it, just to make sure, these are great just for setting up in your bathroom. Next up is a toolbox. So of course, this is like a mini toolbox from the Dollar Tree. It is plastic, so what I do recommend is if you have any long wires or any portable wires, like if I want to take my camera on the go, I would put all my camera wires in here, and it gives pretty much of a space so I can organize and go. But I think it's really good and really effective for the organization that we need. Yay. Next up is these magnet clips. Now these are great for when you have sticky notes and you have things that you have to do and you want to remember them and you're just trying to distract yourself from not eating something in the fridge and you get your work done. So what you do is you write on a sticky note and you slip it onto one of these clips, you slam it right on the fridge, and you're good to go. So these are great organizing tools and to keep you away from eating too much and running to the fridge. Next up is this organizing caddy. As you can see, I've already placed some items in there, like some pine salt to clean the floor, and these bounce sheet paper towels. If they don't have them on sale at CVS, you know the best place to go is the Dollar Tree to put these bad boys up and get a few to keep in your closets to have like as air fresheners just in case. The Dollar Tree also has the toilet bowl cleaners. Fortunately, they don't have the hanging ones yet, back again, but they do have the ones that you drop right in the tank. You just drop right two in the tank and it'll keep it nice and minty fresh. But this basket you can use for so many different things other than just your cleansers and cleaners. You can use these for your paints and your arts and craft tools. When you're getting ready to do stuff with the kiddos, this is definitely a great tool that you can use for that. Next up are the wired bins. Now I love using these little wire bins, but not for what normally people use them for. I usually put my washcloths in here and hang them from the linen closet so it doesn't kind of like mix with the other towels that I have there. But I do have different sizes for the different washcloths that we have. So the ones that are on the bigger side, they go here. And the ones that are like for the kids, I put them in a smaller basket. But yes, you can definitely use these hooks, these baskets for these hooks and hang them right on the wall. These are strong enough to hold up, so you can definitely use these two together. Oh, and I had to get my baby the donuts. He loves donuts. So I seen this sticky note like from far away and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. And these are one of like the refrigerator notepads. So, you know I had to get that. Stick away. All right, next step is these organizing baskets, of course. These bad boys, I love putting like my spices, my seasoning, everything in them. I just organize them here in the shelving and then I place it in my cabinets because the bottom parts of my kitchen have open cabinets, so you can definitely see all the spices and everything, and then you can just grab and go. Whichever ones are really important to you, you place to the front, and the stuff that you don't really use that much, like your pumpkin spice, you keep them towards the back. We did also pick up these smaller organized baskets. They do come in a flavor, and as you can see, you can keep them in your freezer drawer and organize your Jamaican beef patties if you want. I'm not sponsored by Golden Crust, but if you do want to sponsor me, I would love it. Alright, next up are these little organizing baskets. They came 3 to a thing, and these 3 organizing baskets are usually what I use for like the bouillon and the sazon and all that stuff. So you can definitely check that out and you know, organize your stuff in there. So what I usually do is just have them sitting up, and then if I have the powder sazon, I have it behind it so it stays secure and lined up. Next up is these organizing baskets. I usually put my dry goods in here, like the beans and the rice. Sometimes if I have a lot of bagged oatmeal, I'll have them on top of each other, because once you use these little flaps, you can close them like this, and then you set the top one above like this, and then you just slide them in on top of each other, and it's good to go. If you don't feel secure that this is a little too wobbly, you can just add some super glue on the bottom and it'll be secure, and you'll be organizing great. Organizing fun. And of course we picked up some labels to make life easier. We got some cutie pie ones, some more with some lines and organized, and then these are for the smaller bins, like when we have these smaller bins, or if they have a smaller lip on the organizer, we can use one of these on there. So it's really good, it's great, I love it, and I'm going to keep moving on to the next one. So these organizing bins, they're usually for books and, you know, for the kids stuff, and you put it in the kids room. But what you can definitely use them for is hanging them on the wall to put any miscellaneous papers or any mail that you might have. You can put it there and organize your stuff, especially if you are the type of person that you need to see everything in order for it to be completely organized. These are actually really helpful. I would recommend you get a little assistance, because they don't have any holes to drill into the wall, but definitely this is a good idea to get placed on the wall to have it organized. And last but not least is our little containers here. We did pick these up, but these are going to be mainly used for like drawer organizers. What's going to happen is we're going to have them placed into the drawers. We're having the things lined up, and it'll be a little easier for us. It's not going to be for storage bins for food, but definitely you can actually use these Tupperware style things for organizing your drawers if you need the extra assistance for it. But as you can see, I had an amazing time and so much fun, you know, going to Dollar Tree and getting all my organizing stuff together, and I can't wait to show you guys more. But thank you so much for listening and watching. For my friends who would like to join our Facebook group, I'll have the link down below. And if you want to have a coupon meeting, all you have to do is send me a quick email to couponcardclub@gmail.com. All right, beautiful people, I hate to say it, and I know I have to, but I gotta go, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
How? Buy this.
Okay, tuna time.
See, exactly, tuna time. He wants his tuna.
Tuna?
Yeah.
No tuna.
Yes, tuna.
I try to eat it.